Exquisite structure characteristics. W Pro drone from EASYLIFE. Your own private drone. Make easier operate. Accurate height setting in the air. Built-in GPS positioning system can obtain real-time location information. Make it follow you to fly freely and record wonderful memories at all times. Long-distance live transmission image for your immersive experience. Stabilization platform and high-performance image processor make more stable shooting. Shooting ultra-high definition 4K videos and photograph with wide field and bug-eye lens. Wonderful view. Waypoint flight. Draw a line on the map to create a path. Point of interest. The drone continuously circle around the preset point. Upgraded and optimized the flight control image transmission lens for make the flight more stable and clearer image. W Pro drone from EASYLIFE.
Hello, my name is Carson. Today I want to share with you guys a really good aerial aircraft. It's called AVO W Pro.
W Pro is a foldable aircraft. It is very convenient to carry when traveling.
It comes with a 4K camera. It has an intelligent flight control system. It has a built-in GPS satellite positioning, so you can track where it goes.
2,500 mAh lithium battery can provide up to 30 minutes of battery life and 1,000 meters of flight distance. Real-time image transmission distance of up to 800 meters.
It has a high-speed brushless motor, one key for start and takeoff. And for beginners, this device is very easy to use and handle. So let's take a look inside. Let's see. Wow. Here we have the remote control. Here we have the drone. Here we have the battery. And let's see what's inside this pouch. We have an instruction manual. And we also have here, I see we have a charger as well as some spare parts. So now let's take a look at this AVO W Pro's remote control. I have my hands on this and it feels very comfortable, this remote control. We have the antennas and we can pull this out. Wow. And I can put my phone on it. So convenient. So now I'm holding this drone and it's very portable. It feels very good in the hand. And let's begin. So let's see. I see there's upper propellers. I want to open them up. And there's also under propellers. And last but not least, we need the battery. Let's see, let's put the battery inside. Wow, so easy just to put inside the battery. This is great. And we're ready. So now we are ready to turn on the remote control. Here we go. So the pairing is successful. So now we're ready to turn on this drone. Let's give it a try. So I'm gonna click first and let me hold on to it for a few more seconds. We hear that sound and there's full colors now and we're ready to ride. Let's go. So the compass function can avoid misdirection during flight. So before each flight, calibration is required. So now we're ready to begin the calibration. Let's rotate clockwise. I hear the click and we can see that the lights are going from fast flashing to slow flashing. Now we're going to continue to rotate this. Let's keep on going. And then we see, I hear the click and let's take a look. The solid light has turned on and now the compass calibration is complete. Okay, so we're gonna place the drone on the surface. After completing the compass calibration, we're gonna press the gyroscope button on the remote control. If the direction shifts automatically during flight, you can also use this function to calibrate. Before flying, make sure the GPS mode is turned on in case the drone gets lost. So before taking off, we first unlock the aircraft. So in order to do so, we need to press the unlock button and the motors will start to rotate. And then we're gonna push the throttle stick to the bottom and the aircraft will be locked. The one-key takeoff function can be activated by pressing the unlock button after unlocking the aircraft. So next, I will demonstrate the basic operation of the remote control for everyone. Let's push the left throttle stick of the remote control up or down, which is the ascend and descend function. We can flick the throttle stick to the left or right, and that's to turn left and right. And we could push the right direction stick up and down. It is the forward or backwards function. We could push left or right to the left side or for the right side to fly. So during the flight, you can push the gear on the remote to adjust the camera angle. In response to different winds, it can also adjust high and low speeds to fly. If you hear the sound once, it's for low speeds. If you hear the sound twice, it's for high speeds. Tap the surrounding flight icon in the app and slip to confirm. Then WPro will automatically fly around you. Click the follow icon, slide to confirm. WPro will automatically follow the shooting accurately, allowing you to record video like a professional player. Click the waypoint icon. Create a waypoint in the prompt box. Then the aircraft will fly according to the connecting path of the waypoint. Use waypoint flying to record beautiful scenery with dynamic camera. There are also photo and video functions that can meet the needs of aerial photography enthusiasts. Press the camera button to enter the camera mode and press the video button to enter the video mode. WPro has a one-key return function. Just press the one-key return button. The aircraft will automatically return to the takeoff point. At the same time, there are two situations in which it will return home automatically. One is that when the aircraft exceeds the remote control distance or the remote control signal is interrupted for 6 seconds, the aircraft will automatically return to home and fly back to the last recorded takeoff point. When the light on the aircraft body flashes slowly, the remote controller will sound 3 beeps per 5 seconds, and the aircraft will start the first low battery return. The aircraft can only be within a safe range of the height being 20 meters and the distance being 30 meters flying within. When the aircraft body flashes quickly, the remote controller will make a beeping sound and the aircraft will automatically perform the second low power return home and it will be forced to return home automatically. When charging the aircraft battery, first connect one end of the USB plug to the battery and plug the other end into the power bank. The light flashes when charging, and the light is always on after the charging is completed. The charging method of the remote control is the same. The green light is always on when the charging is completed, and the LED light is off when the charging is completed. So everyone, let's review one more time this AVO WPro's special functions. It comes with a 4K camera, a compact foldable body. It has an intelligent flight control system. It has a built-in GPS satellite positioning, so you can track where it goes. It has a high-speed brushless motor, one key for start and takeoff. It has a smart return function, and it's very cost-effective. It's not too expensive. The price is very reasonable. And for beginners, this device is very easy to use and handle, and the flight is stable. When traveling, you can bring the device with you and you can film daily moments. I hope that everyone can share this device. You can share it with your friends, family, and let's have fun with this device. Thank you.